Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to make a part or solid in the Fusion 360. So this is a part exercise 3 bearing. So open Fusion 360 and go for the create a sketch. Now select on the plane. Just suppose if we are going to select here top plane. You can also select from the here. So this is a front, right, top. So we need here top plane. So select on the top plane. Now go for the rectangle. So this is a 2 point rectangle, 3 point, and this is a center point rectangle. So select this center point rectangle and click on center, and the dimensions is of 44 by 34. Right click and go for the sketch dimensions. So this is of about 34 mm, and this is a 44 mm. Now go for the finish sketch. Go for the extrude, and the thickness is of about 6 mm. So give the thickness 6 mm. And now click on this orbit option, and press and hold the left key of the mouse and drag the mouse to rotate this model 360 degrees. Now just press the scroll button to disable this orbit option or unselect that. Now we need to make these two ribs of 8 mm thickness, and the height is total height is 48 and minus 6, that is 42. So 48 and 8 here. Go for the sketch and select this surface. Go for the rectangle, select here and this two, right click on it and go for the sketch dimensions. Okay, this is 34, and this is of about 8 mm thickness. You can also mirror it. Now go for the extrude, press Ctrl button and select these two ribs, and select on the extrude and give the 42 mm. So to just drag it, uh, press the scroll button and drag the mouse to drag this component or the solid. Now we need to make a circle here or hole. So just to see the diagram, from the bottom surface it is 20 plus 6, that is 26 mm height, the center of the circle. So go for the create a sketch, select this surface and go for the circle, and the diameter is of about 24 and the 14 mm. Right click and just to go for the sketch dimensions. This is a 24 and another one is of about 14 mm. Now select this center of the circle and the bottom line, and this height is 26 mm. Now finish the sketch. Now go for the extrude, and the extrude is of about 13 mm. So there is no hole, we need to make the hole. As you see here, there is a hole. So select this surface and go for the extrude. Even though give the dimensions, suppose 8 mm, or just hold this and drag this to make the hole. See, or just give the through hole. You can see here all. Extend type is just give the all or till to object. That's according to our requirement. Just use that. And okay, even though if you need to make this solid, just here the use the operations as join, cut, intersect, new body. So we are going to remove the material, so select the cut option and okay it. Now suppose now we need to uh, make this to the another side, this circle another side. So just select on this create and select on the mirror, press Ctrl button and select these two faces, and now select on the mirror plane. We need to select the plane to mirror this object. So select this plane, vertical plane. Now you can see here this circle is mirrored. So our solid diagram from this is completed. Even though you can use fillet, here there is option fillet. So select this edge and suppose give the dimensions according to your requirements. Suppose I am giving here 15 mm. Just press Ctrl button and select the four corners at a time and give the dimensions. Suppose if you need the equal dimensions, suppose 15 mm, then select four edges by holding the Control button and give the dimensions. So this is of about fillet, and there is a here this is a press pull. This means to extend to extend this body. Suppose see here, uh, suppose you need to extend it or decrease the thickness. So we didn't required this thing. Cancel it. And so this is a cell. Select, suppose, select this base and give the 2 mm thickness, right? So you can see here a cell is created here. So thank you guys.